TV ne twashokereria na gakunyita ugeni rege guku ni kwa Muthingi TV Wamboiru ndirenda turikie uhoro wa dating. Yeah, I want you to tell me. Okay, the difference between dating ndio ya gatene na thaici uguo. Ndio thaici nyota ukitone maundu. Compare and give me
Okay, that is intense. Dating ya demonini na thaici it's so different. Todo demonini deciragia I can't live without this person. Dating demonini, I used to do things I'm not proud of. Todo, let me call myself a simp. Wa miakeo. Yes. When you're young, and especially let me call it first love, you tend to give it all. You find yourself nyokoraga uraina muratata bilha cut off because your boyfriend said
she's not good.
She's not a good friend. I don't know why. It always happens when it comes to first love. Noginye happen you go. Ate bill hati mwega we cut off bilha. Aga brother akunia kuhuragira muno tuko mwere ati gushoka kuhura. So the moment you are coming to break up agikomuti point ya kuhikania. And funny thing, sad story is that first loves nyingi matioka kuhikania. A very good yes. Hey yo. Dore wako horo wegi dating, you give your all. You have a life even after dating. You still have a life because you still have your family, you still have your friends. Na the other issue, if someone tells me to cut off my friend, I'll be like, if you don't give me a valid reason to cut this friend off, I'm cutting you off.
I feel like the toxic one. I feel like to add on that, nona dating him how gatane modu ateyo utata ukitu onori muhedi ori. I feel like we used to do a lot of stupid things. You are unable to speak. Yani dogi hota kuitulura. You hold a lot of information. Not on your mother tell you are just there and pretending everything is okay.
True.
But that she didn't koraga you are Niorera modo mimi by the way ulifanya hivi na hivi and I don't like it.
One thing I like about girls, let me call them girls, kananyari, is that they're so vocal. And one thing, women were known not to talk.
Exactly.
I did to meragwa mudhuri waku akinya keda you wake up. Omohioheririo, omohioherie mai, ethambe, thairia arekoma, niguo we urikoma. Putting in mind roshini ni ugokira. But one thing I like about women right now is that they are vocal. I know we have a lot of friends. They have been in toxic relationships. You talk them out, they're like, now the moment you start talking your mind out, the moment you start saying, me by the way, men will always put that you are because that's how they put it. That why? But one thing I like about the women right now is that they are vocal. They talk their mind, and that's why a lot of women right now, in this society, we have many people who are single. It's because a woman is talking their mind out,
and men don't like that.
They don't.
Do you know there are men? Near our boy, yes, we are in a relationship, but doka dadita ni dukana Julia nyumako. Edi go to get besha shia nyoba.
True.
Don't you ever ask me nyumako kana nyuma now. And there are men who even fight.
Yeah.
Tony Olidio umako.
Exactly. But can we have a society ni hopaga, and I always pray, and especially the generation after generation Z millennium gani?
Alpha.
Generation Alpha, egoka co-experience a lot of vocalness in women, because the moment generation Gen Z kidogo ni makare mo gukorome a lot of ni makare mo ko advocate madena mao so much, but each generation Alpha it will at least nigakoro na hado mwiretu nigakoro kimenyeka.
like let me point out an advantage ya date na hau gatene is that ando matiekira maisha mao social media. At least ni kwari na kuhithanirira ndungiamenyire haya ngani akoragwo ahiketio ni maratiganire but right now
it's our content. Content.
All in the name of content. But you know, hari content on nawe ungirora wone. That's a very good content. Na kurege, like surely you don't have to cloud chase with your family.
Exactly. I feel in as much as you may want to come out with social media, I put it this way: let everyone know we are together, but let not everyone know what we do when we are together. Because it's sad right now. We have always I will call it especially for women. The moment a couple start cloud chasing, a woman is always left because the society ekoigete we wita mutumia wira waku ni wa gutumeria
na gucokaniriria mucio waku.
Yes. The moment muthuri waku akwanika hali social media auga atiaga, I have seen a certain a certain family before they got married, the girl, I don't know what situation led her to aborting the kids. I saw the man saying at least one,
aborting
kids, 2 of them, but I saw that Nini saying the man saying at least one of my kids, as in everyone has a past. Before to get a relationship, you had a past, I had my past. Why would you come, in as much as we are making content out of it, have a record of I had an abortion? There's
First
none.
of all, even a man commenting at he's happy they were not his kids, that doesn't make him a good person.
Especially work at the a dating yadaishi. It's a bit tricky. Let me call it tricky.
Complicated.
Because we are living in a generation where people don't care if they hurt you. Tena ni wewe modo akuri. Haya, nilifanya vibaya. Tutarekebisha wapi na wapi. But tell me that shire. Nilishipishiga na onete. Mwiretu ame air things out and the man will be like, enyewe nilikosea. What right now we having is a lot of egos. Me kama wanaume uwezi ni show, una ni show.
And then there are men who feel like uria ugare niguo kwagirire. Uria ugawe, that is how things should be and that is how it's supposed to be.
Me I feel like nitwage gushoka rere kirine ya tene. Area will go somewhere with their man for weekend and no one will know.
Yeah, true.
You'll have kids makore na dematikana menya mwana wanyu. But right now, we're exposing small kids on social media. You're finding a full person. I get troll mwana. Where are we heading as a generation? Because, putting in mind, as a man, niyakore moko express that he's hurt because the kid is trolled. But when you as a man, when no cause he yote, because you at least you want the clicks and the views. It's not making sense.
No,
but at
photos,
least,
yeah.
You see, tareke gwere he kindu kimwe totura twirago kwanyu kuria mukomaga mwagwetaga atia na gikuyu
bedroom.
No, you don't. Mutia wetaga be mutia wetaga bedroom to wetaga na theini.
Oh yeah.
Na theini wa mami wanyu ni woe ndoge
ndwagereirwo
wito oge akorirwe atigire ngwe fulani ageciria atigire ngwe ya green ekomete yo amikore egarurukite yo iyo ni haro. But what are we having right now?
There's no privacy.
No privacy. Ni rakora modo at just because he has made you breakfast in bed camera ine. Guys, in as much as we want content, in as much as we want to make money out of social media, let us have at least some privacy.
To cut you on that, I have a very good question.
Okay.
Do you think that it's okay aide tu na anake gobiaga sleepover, like this time nimeenda sleepover kwa boy wangu and then next time mimi ndo naenda sleepover kwa dem yangu?
Okay. Me, according to me, according to my opinion, no, if we are dating, it's okay. If you're dating, me and you're dating, it's okay. But it's your house. not mine. We are not married. It's dating. Totally sure we're in the bubbles.
No kogeria. Yeah.
So I feel like near that one year generation, you know, that a man stands, a man know the head. Why you coming to my house? Unakujia nini kwangu?
So in short, for you, it's not right.
To go to
for a man to go to a woman's house at the sleepover.
And you're not even sure if you're drako de tuweika. You're not sure.
But wait, maybe he's not coming for a sleepover. Ni just a normal visit.
Normal visit.
Unapitia leo alafu unaenda.
Kuna mkahawa bwana. I don't feel like it's safe. You see, your house should be your safe space. In as much as this man is your safe space, this man has not put it that he wants to marry you. You people, you are trying. You are dating. Na dating, it can work or it can't.
Now, go to your house. Yes. Do you feel like people know the difference between dating and courtship?
No.
Bado gine makara wa meto in between. Uigwe modaragu gate. Lakini sini boy wangu hata kama. Like,
boy wako do you know, niya koretie. Nyagodhi umeulizwa. Umeulizwa, can you be my girlfriend? Umeulizwa. Just because he started kukutext to love nothing. I call them sweet nothings because they're sweet nothings. You ameanza kukutext sweet nothings, you feel like, no, I'm the girlfriend. Mimi, if I was to be asked, like dating should be so formal. Like, maybe akora na nanya gudhiye, umuthi. Nyagodhi nita gutwara date ya mbere nwanyu akahua. As we talk about life, yes? The second one, I'll ask you, can you be my girlfriend? The third one, as we continue, will you marry me? I engage you. And let me say these women, a man who engages you for more than 6 months, please remove that ring. Please remove that ring. The moment a man, ile wakati ameamua, nako engage, it should be 6 months, he marries you. But when niambia amekuweka ring, umeshinanga ukitembea na ring yake iko wapi ya kuengage? Hana. But for you as a woman, you're working with your ring 1 year, 2 years, 3 years.
You are telling men out there you are taken.
Taken where? Where are you taken?
So to understand your point, dating mutire sure. You're just testing the water.
You're just testing that.
But when it comes to courtship, you are very sure.
Yes.
I want this.
And
the other
this
person
has
is
to
very
work.
sure. This is what I want.
Yes.
Yeah, very nice.
Now the moment, I don't know confuse the two. Plus, we're engaging in a lot of things we're not supposed to be engaging with dating. I know you know, we're engaging in a lot. You are putting a lot of emotions we're not supposed to be putting them.
When you speak of emotions, a lot of things, can you just mention briefly what things? So,
the moment more breakup na more doing. Oh no one wa boy. The moment people break up, especially the young people, I invested a lot
in that relationship.
I bought what. When it comes to dating, kila mtu akuje na vitu zake.
So unataka kuniambia Wambo,
date sifai kumbaia gift aterere. Act of gifting, it's one of the love languages. Yes. But you don't tell me that at mtu doe kwao. Mami wana this agero gamahado kiuga ni mami wao, so you don't know. But you're going ahead to do what a father can do to a daughter. Because tell me why, the moment you are dating, no media modo.
Because I love that person. Nanedirona a future.
Yes. The moment nawe amua that nyogo media dokanoke guturirira ugetwiraga atiriri hey, I invested nilisomesha. No, you are dating. Nemuonanaga. You are having a time for yourself. Yes, that's what dating means. But when it comes to courtship, you are so sure that this person is your person. You can go ahead and yokurihira college, yokugura gari, yokutwara America, because at the end of the day you're expecting that you walk down the aisle. And that's why you are making I invested a lot.
But you know love is blind. No korowa boitwe nawe haha, and we are even in that courtship. And I've seen a future with you. Not the moment to step into kehiko nyogo. I things go haywire. Okay, you are like, this is not what I wanted.
And ogega kinyaga kuga this is not what I wanted. Mudo weka itanake ihida rigana atia.
Watwera wega you shouldn't ateko date mudurume for more than 6 months.
No, I didn't say that. I didn't say that you're not supposed to date as someone. This is what I said. Please, this is what I said. A man and akiku engage and awekira bete. Ogo niona atirere a future with you. Degire kunina 6 months niketoreka. What are we waiting for? But for dating, take as much time as you can.
But you can't tell me ne go date modo. Yes, you are telling us to take as much time as we want. No, really. How can I date you for 7 years? I'm a 5 years. You know I'm taking that time. It's not making sense.
What I mean is take your time kumenya modo. Because when we build harem, the moment we get a relationship in harem, nada kumenya tirere. There's something you always look at. When we build her, maybe you check on the behavior. How does he behave when I'm angry? Modo dageture hidete. Because you're not brother and sister. On a brother akune murakara nagia. Na kama rumafiyo. Modo mosho mani nake moko wako rumanasha. Moko wako hitani aneke. So as a girl, and especially with a modo like juge as with a modo gehere horo igi airetu. With a modo there's always something you look at. Nyorora gatirere hi ni modo akurakara na ihenya tutigihota na tondu na ndarakara no jikiona. And that's why when you're dating you always look and behaving yaje. Secondly, nyorora there's a way you like your things arranged. Nyorora modo inoka afagaga indo ciake atia. Iyo onagehitha he won't hide for more than 2 months.
But you know there are people who date for more than 7 years. Namatikaneti, they are still dating. What do you think niki makoragwo magietha angiko riu ni matikire time kumenyana ri niki gigiko gitumite maikare uguo
maragiri gucaria meri nediti yake hiko ningie but for a girl me what I always advocate when you're running to go date someone abewe menye because they can go them why love makes you, it makes, I don't want to say it makes you stupid, but it makes you stupid. The moment we korana wamenye need the bill her, this is what I'm advocating for. Need the bill her, I want to change this. Because of course, we as women adjust. We adjust
in situations.
Yes, because agikomodoyo, especially for, let me call them toxic partners. It's always hard to leave them. So nyokoraga mitugwe mwareka with amwire you always like
funny enough kuna hii pool you always feel like no maybe I can change him. Igimwariria ndimwire ndiendete ogwori koni gutiwa.
Dear women, men change for the men change for the
women they love. Yeah, and men change when they want to, not yatoi kare ogwo mwire.
Ati mwire he na rose ndogokio sereirwo awikaro. Tondu ni kwa ogwo
kwanza goka thita otishio murie kiuria.
And that's why I was tukiambiriria show ntugire atirire. Women at least try having something under your name. Something for yourself. Ota kama huna mingi. There's always power in financial freedom. Onoko ne girisha kuikomi. Niko giragiria rere from a lot of dida go shitadoni but a lot of troubles
na nonsense. Yeah, let me put it that way, point blank nonsense. Todolu mugigiana na mundu tha thita cio tukuri and you're depending solely on that person. Ogodhieko, you don't have any money. You don't have
friends because some mtu alikwambia because of your friends.
Me, I don't like Wambo for you. So if you want us to continue this relationship, you have to cut off Wambo.
They have never liked me. You see, I always advocate for open relationships. I don't advocate for open relationships, but can we have ilea uko na boys wako? You have, and there's always that nini mwena aratanyu. Nita third party, it's not literally third party, but at least you have somewhere you can cling because dokirago hede cio the mukenu bilha.
Yeah.
Ere okirago karora mundu karigo ruyo nikirudagire haraha ngai. But when you see when you have friends And especially friends who have gone through that phase, nimakwiraga zile za mimi I did this and this and it worked for me. Can you try this and this? But the moment where wabo ti mwega nyaguthie ti mwega
Wajiro
aga muthuri wake arekire
ona cokete gukuhe advice itari njega muno iratuma tuhitanie.
Another thing, women, there's power na tuchama. Take positive, not positive. Okay, lemone tuteanaga tuonge tu kweli. Tumia lemone tuteanaga. No iguaga he ni wakwa hutia kai wathikana ni wahoretwo hwae ugathi gwakuo na ndi ukohutia ndio ndukohutia. You see, agangania ni aragurirwo kina a woman will come and brag about the husband na kukarigwo
kai wakwa
mwathani kai waheireo
kai kama watanyendete
kai waheireo ukaigwa agani aradwari Dubai, but behind the scenes muthuri ti oreka mau mothe mutumia no oreka mau
niwe ala finance maisha ma muthuri.
But what I advocate na tuchama eto kudito ni mukoranagia meshiria. In as much as you won't take the negative, aga muthuri wakwa rekire, my husband and I, at least take the positive one. Like, okay, rotirere, weta mutumia wagire gwikaro. Weta mutumia no wagire gwiko. Na weta mutumia akana weta muiretu na we girl child no wagire kugerera njira eno. At some point ni ukaguteithia, especially the moment where wamua ni gukorwo we engaged na mundu.
You've talked of having a friend you can cling on to.
Yeah.
Na haha niho andu aingi mahitanagia ihiko-ini ni gukora ate nie ndikihiko-ini nditanya guthie, but I have a male friend and he's my best friend, and in case something happens, the first person I'm calling the male bestie wa mine.
No. Yes, male bestie. What are you besting? You can't best with your man.
Hey, see the problems I'm facing in my family, the problems I'm facing in my marriage.
Please, Jesus is a man. Take them to him. What are you besting? No, you are married. What are you besting?
The friendship.
No.
So you
no. When it comes to marriage, umeamua, I'm in this ring for life. Would you want your man to have a bestie?
Well, it depends with the
the
level of friendship.
It not depends, because I know you know what happens after besting. One of you will have to catch feelings. Would you want your man to have a bestie?
Not really, but let me make it clear. Like a go proof point.
And you're married. At this point, you're not dating. At this time, you're married.
I think it depends how of a good friend you are with that person.
No. When it comes to marriage, me, I feel like stick to a third party. Kama atakuwa pastor wenu, atakuwa marriage counselor.
Pastor could also be a man, ama a female.
But they're not friends. You're not besting. You're not besting with them.
But eventually,
no,
things can happen.
No. Let me tell you. As a third wheeler, tunendanga tutisharagia murata waku. Let me say now, for example, I'm dating who? Let's say, for example, I'm married to who? To Kinodhia. Let me put it Kinodhia. Kinodhia na mimi tumeoana. Of course, Kinodhia's besties wataondoka. Of course, my besties wataondoka. I'll have friends, I'll have a circle of friends, but not besting, because besting means that we are so tight. We talk about anything. And you see that man you call bestie, that's the husband. That's the man you should marry. Why you get it? Why you? Wana mnekele watu mnimizigo, my guys. That's what I'm saying. Nona kanithene muthiaga. Muthuri waku ndakinyete wa gutwika besting na pastor. Niguo
fio.
Na ni ndikinyete gutwika besting na pastor. If we have problems, if we want a third wheeler, if we want someone who will encourage us, simuli tukiona maybe totia hikani na kihiko gya kiria gya kanitha, mutia na best couple, go to them, talk to them, tell them your bestie. Why? No kwa urenda kuhikoka we. No kwa urenda kuhikoka. Unless you want to
dauga mutikagie na male ama female besties, it's okay.
No,
when we haria mukinyeti nake.
No, depends where. In the category of relationship mukinyete ha.
But it's not me, I think, personally, for me, my opinion, let
me
disagree with you, Ambo. I think it's not that bad to have a as for me, a woman, it's not that bad for me to have a male best friend.
Right now, na modo.
Ona dina mudu. That she already go to a best friend. But I will still keep him as a friend.
Wait, before you get married to this man, that means that one, you people have crossed the line of friends. You become best of friends. You become partners. Why do you need another best friend? Why do you need another best friend?
I mean, it's the same reason you need a friend.
No.
And you are married.
When you get married, your best friend. If you have a problem with your man, you don't go telling another man that. No. The moment you have another man out there, no. Red flag. Where sign a divorce, go get married to your bestie.
For me, I differ with you and I disagree with you. Me personally, for me, my opinion, I think it's good to have a
when you're married, please have Jesus as your bestie. Tell him your problems.
You know, that man of yours can also be your best friend, but go call another friend. It's
for
not
what?
That bad.
Girl,
eco exchange ginya career ideas.
Oh God, why do you want another person to come know your marital problems?
Who said we are talking about marital problems?
Why are you doing basi with a bestie?
We can even be doing business.
Oh, really?
Yeah. See,
that means basi, that is your business partner.
But he can also be a friend.
That's a business partner.
No, but also a friend. Okay, in short, I'm trying to say your opinion in where who is itaka
when you're married,
yeah, for you
don't have a best friend as a
and
man.
And then for me, my opinion, I think it's okay to have a male best friend.
Yeah. That is hard. Can we have best friends? So this is heated.
When you're married.
Yes, when you're married. When you're dating, at least it makes sense. When you're dating, it makes sense. You're not sure. Dating what's your take about young people right now who are dating and the relationships you have seen?
Personally, for me, I think most people they don't know what they want.
Whoa.
Yeah,
that's like it.
Point blank, because tell me one boy, why 1 minute you are so into me and you're trying to convince me you want us to have a relationship, and then the next minute like,
and then another thing
is that
I add on that. We have had we don't have empowered men. I would put it that way.
Yeah.
Because for me, I know as a man, you're supposed to be the head.
Yeah.
Tell me, by the way, initiate things to me. By the way, nataka tuanze hii project, unaona aje. But kila time I'm coming telling you, by the way, kuna kitu fulani, it doesn't make sense.
And then even a man should plan for career. If he wants us to take to the togashere nako, not in the muraya today. Do we like as a man, please. That is the least you can do for your family. After gokuhikiare garore, no kamugira shianare, and stabilizing that family, the least we can do for him.
I know.
Never plan a career.
I don't know why they always put it like Tuahikaniere is the end of us. Is the end of us. No, please date me, keep dating me. Hata tukioana. Tell me, haya, unakumbuka Sarana? Twende. Unakumbuka mahali fulani? Twende.
By the way, niliona a very nice dress ninaweza kufit.
Don't even tell me you saw it. Bring it and tell me, by the way, hapa niliona kuna dress mzuri inaweza kufit. And yeah. Na ndakora tukiroma dhani mathiu.
Mathi nari.
Mathi. Wow. Tutukwa tukikahiga to semania Saturday. Turekereria.
Yeah, na nie Geto bill hanya godie kinya juma yokete. Bye bye.
Haya, hamira reri wa Muthingi TV gatho cia mwanya ni gutirora rurima ithaini rito akana ima tafarira ito ya mbere ya tafarira ino aya andu magwitonyarari kana gatha citu ni turi koragwo na maundu maingi makiria tulikoragwo tukiarereria uhoro wegie girls talk ino we na murata waku ule mukoragwo communicate ugo nigo thie tulikoragwo tugika no mukoragwo mugitutumira topics iria murenda tukorwo tukidiscuss kura mwana wa Facebook ari Muthingi TV mwana wa YouTube no Muthingi TV mwana wa X kana iria yoikaine ta Twitter no Muthingi TV ginyagia juma yokete ngora ngai wamwe akwende akoige na akurathime na niye ngetika Wambui wajao.